I'm Mike Chambers with HomeServe USA, and we are the administrators of the National League of Cities Service Line program. And we work with cities and municipalities across the country to help educate their residents on their lateral and water and sewer line responsibilities, letting them know, hey, these water and sewer lines are their responsibility and some things that can happen to them, and then give them a chance to transfer that risk from themselves over to our program.
Once we felt there would be benefits to it if this was offered, so that's why we went forward with collecting information. We do have a very old infrastructure, water and sewer. In this area, they're about 60 years old. Downtown, they're 100 to over 100.
Most homeowners don't realize the complexity to a water system or a sanitary system. So when something goes wrong, they don't really grasp the concept of what it would take to have it repaired.
I was sitting on the couch watching TV, and my dog went over and it sounded like it was drinking something. So I got down and looked at the main sewer cap, which is pressurized, and it was leaking. And then not even seconds later, it actually blew the pressurized cap off the one valve. Water just started gushing in, so I got shop vacs, and we were sucking up a 5-gallon, a 10-gallon, and a 2.5-gallon within seconds. On Sunday, it happened again at 6 o'clock at night, and for 24 hours, it was nonstop water coming in the house. It actually had to remove the wash tub sink out of my laundry room and put a pipe in the ground to run it into my sump pump just to control the water. I was called by HomeServe. They said they were going to be out here Thursday. Then I was told that by then that it might not be till Monday because they had to get utility lines all flagged. And we came home last night and the backhoe was sitting here, and they got here, what, 6:30 in the morning?
Yeah.
They got here and started right to work. They came here willing to help us out when we were in a very bad situation.
If it wasn't for the customers, we wouldn't be here today. You know, they're the forefront of the business, our customers. Our relationship with HomeServe started roughly about 9 years ago, and you know, it was just the beginning of us having that relationship with the warranty company. It's been a great relationship. It's made our business, you know, in the past 4 to 5 years what it is today.
For me, the $10 a month I think is well worth it, and I personally think that I'd be looking to buy this insurance for my own house.
I work for the Niagara Falls Water Board. I know how to do the repairs, but when it's offered, I'll be one of the first ones to sign up for it. That's how much I believe in it.
If you don't get this service,
Especially in the city of Niagara Falls with the infrastructure, what it is now, it's a no-brainer